This tomato relish tastes so good, people literally stop using ketchup after trying it once. 5 medium tomatoes, finely chopped. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon red chili flakes. 2 tablespoons vinegar. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 2 tablespoons oil. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan on medium heat. Add 1 small chopped onion and cook for 2 minutes until soft. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and stir for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add 5 chopped tomatoes and cook for 4 minutes until juicy. Mix in 1 tablespoon tomato paste for a deeper, rich flavor. Add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. Pour in 2 tablespoons vinegar and cook on low heat for 6 to 8 minutes until thick and glossy. Keep stirring occasionally so the relish caramelizes slightly without burning. Once sticky, rich, and jam-like, turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Comment "recipe" if you'd actually replace ketchup with this, because most people do after one bite.